Hello guys, hope you all are well. I have come back again with yet another very interesting recipe today. Why I call it interesting is because it's purely veg with no garlic, no onion and even no ginger. Made with only 4 to 5 ingredients, it takes only 5 minutes to cook. Yes, it's that easy. This recipe will be a big hit for those days when you feel lazy and you don't like cooking anything elaborate. Or a sudden guest has come and you need to serve something very quickly but without compromising the taste. I guarantee you it can replace some of the restaurant style paneer preparations for your dinner. So let's start cooking. I have taken a capsicum which I have washed thoroughly. I have removed the stems and the seed and chopped them to cubes. Now here you can add more veggies if you want, like cauliflower, carrot, peas. I've cut the paneer also. Here I've taken around 300 grams of paneer and I've cut them into cubes. In a pan, take around 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the capsicum. At this point, if you had some other veggies also, you can add them too, but taste goes well with capsicum only, so it's completely your choice. If you want, you can add potatoes also, but I've skipped all of them. So I've used only capsicum for this purpose. You can also use only paneer without the veggies. I've added 1.5 tablespoon of sambar masala powder and added some salt to it. Mix it very well. Please write in the comment section how you like my video, or if you have made this recipe, then please let me know that how it turned out to be. And even I'd like to know from which country you're watching my video from. Add 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup. Now here I have added ketchup. You can also use tomato sauce for this purpose, but I would prefer skip tomato puree because it won't enhance the taste. Add the paneer cubes to it and mix everything well with the paneer so that the masalas and everything gets coated on the paneer well. Mix everything very well. Once I've finished mixing everything well, I'll add 1 cup of milk. Now this can be any milk, full cream, double toned, anything. After pouring the milk, stir everything very nicely and mix everything so that all the masalas and the milk blends nicely with each other. It will bring a nice orangish color. Keep the flame to low because if you keep the flame high, then the milk will curdle and the creamy texture won't come. It will release a lot of water which will spoil the gravy. See, the gravy is becoming more thicker. If you want at this point, you can adjust the salt, the sambar powder, or if you want, you can add some chili powder to it. At last, add some ghee. Now this is purely optional. If you don't want to add ghee, it's perfectly fine. But here I have added some to get a very nice essence because the essence of paneer and ghee mix very well together. Cook for another 1 minute and wait for the gravy to become a little bit more thicker, and our 5-minute paneer or lazy paneer or whatever you say, quickie paneer is ready. Believe me, this taste is so awesome that it can beat any of the restaurant style paneers. Garnish it with coriander leaves, and you can have it with roti or paratha or naan. Please leave a comment and I would love to interact with you. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and make sure to hit the notification icon so that you can get all the future videos that I upload. Have a nice day. Thank you.